Morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons, the plumbing apprentices. As you see, they're not here today. Today's task will be to hook up some water lines in a new construction renovation that we did. We had to winterize it. This job has been ongoing from last winter through the summer until now. And finally, we're ready to turn the heat on. So I need to connect the domestic water so we can fill the heat system and also charge the water for the basement unit. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. We all know it's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we know plumbing is not going nowhere. We will see you inside. Alright folks, here's what we got. This 1-inch PEX, which is loose, cut loose, is to the, this 1-inch PEX goes to the second and third floor. And this 1-inch PEX is for the basement unit. Here's the water meter coming in, here's our valve. Very slow moving job, and we're back again during the inclement weather. Decided to pick a couple days and just close out this heat system, be able to be around while the heat's running. So the first process we have to do is connect the cold water again, which we winterize this place. So we got a 3/4 meter, 3/4 line. The pressure here is phenomenal, so we're not worried about connecting 3/4 copper to a 1-inch PEX, which the ID is pretty close anyway. There you have it. That's the project for today. We'll cut the T in here. Yeah. New valve to this 1-inch, and then this valve to this piece of 1-inch.
So each one has its own show.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you've seen this before. This is sweet.
I know.
Electrical box.
So you found it on there?
I went and watched my film and found it. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, man. Alright, so this will go up top. Okay. Cut me a piece of 3/4, 3 inches. Today I have the honor of working with General Thomas.
He doesn't know how to use this fucking thing. He says, see that thing.
Oh, here, use your regular cutter then, if you don't want to use it. I got a regular pipe cutter. And again, we have this place winterized for this season. I'm just going to get it back on now. This way they can finish this whole sheetrock, you know?
Yeah. We'll have a guy come and build something like a cabinet here.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Because eventually, you know, we're going to have to figure something out.
By 3/4 PEX T, and bam. It was up here, above your sight range. It's at the 5.5 level.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
There it is, 5.5 level.
Alright,
Okay.
now. Here's how we're going to convert from copper to PEX today. We're going to prefab this. Alright, Georgie. Piece of 3/4 PEX. 1.5 inches, George.
Better get CB2 here.
CB2's in school today.
Is he?
Snow day. He snowed in.
Does he live there?
Nah. Nah. He's living a good life with Mom. His frat house has been condemned. I'm going to prefab this first and then twist it like so. Bang. Let's see. feel the ring, but it doesn't matter.
Can I hold that?
Oh, piece of copper.
Mm-hmm.
That don't work. George, copper piece 3.5, and a piece.
3.5?
Yeah, I need a piece 3.5 and a piece 2. I can't wait to get the heat on here. All right, brother. Turn this off for now. Oh, whew. I gotta hit the gym, Georgie. Oh, damn.
I know.
Cut me a piece of 1-inch pecs.
Uh,
Yeah, make it 20.
If you could push down on that and then push it back up, right?
Yeah, you know, I might put a couple 90s on this here.
Alright. You still want 20?
Yeah, we can recut it, George.
Mm-hmm.
If I had my ring thing, it'd be done.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got it now. I'm good now. You gotta go.
Okay.
Yeah. Go, I got it. I got
Yeah.
it. Oh. Jesus. I can't squeeze this
I
thing.
know.
Oh. Alright, so we'll crimp this and then we'll push it up, alright?
Okay. It sounds like a plan. You hold that down? I think you're gonna have to.
Hold what down?
That.
This here?
Yeah.
Nah, I mean, I'm just going to get it started slowly and wrestle with it.
Alright.
Let the wrestling just begin. Here's my blow off my shoulder. Oh,
You know, can we do one end?
there it is.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. I like that. Okay. it. Of the 2-inch 3/4 packs, Georgie.
Like,
It's very stressful, man.
Yeah.
On their end. Let's get this last one here done, Daddy. This next one's done. I don't miss doing this shit, dude. I'll be honest with you. This is stupid. It really is, man.
I was thinking this is the way to go, but I changed my mind.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah. Too many things going back. Like now we're back to copper, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're ready, man. Water will be charged, ready to go. All right. Like a 3-inch piece, or
Got it.
make it a 4, dude. 4? Yep.
3/4, right?
Yes, sir. And I'm going to use a Pro 3/4 service 90 here. All right, no more F-bombs, goon. You're killing me. Come on, you goon.
There we are. Look at that. So you open it up. We got one guy when we did the pro press. I'm not used to be working on TV.
Cut the play with sawzall?
Yeah. I said you're gonna cut the O-rings, you know. Yeah, cut it with a sawzall. I sand it. Sometimes I even file a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, just.
You have to. A lot of guys mark them with pencils too, man. You know?
Why would they mark it with pencil?
So in case the fittings pop out.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, he did that with couplings usually.
All right, brother. We're all tied in.
Cool.
We're going to test our work.
Yeah.
Right to here, right to the valves
That's
only.
Yeah.
Let's make sure the valves off are in the. Oh, you know what we got to check, Georgie? The shower diverters. Make sure everything's off.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So here we have it. Second floor valve, basement. We're ready to charge the water. That's a whole nother process. So all this is being done so we can turn the heater on. This is the baseboard job we did. Not on yet. We're going to test it with air first, and then hopefully by day's end have the heat on here. With that, we'll see you at the next one.